Hello, I'm Dr. Juricic, your low vision optometrist and creator of the vision enhancing method. And this is a quick video letting you know how to use your new prismatic glasses. So if you remember, the prismatic glasses are a little bit different than your traditional reading glasses. So if you look at them, you're going to notice that the central thickness is thicker than out in the periphery. And the purpose of these high-powered reading glasses with the prism is that it allows somebody who has macular degeneration, Stargardt's, diabetic retinopathy, and other eye conditions, allows them to actually read up close with more magnification. And so what the prism does is it actually shifts the light as it enters the eye, and it shifts it onto an area not at the macula where there might be more damage, but to an area right next to the macula that can be healthier to allow you to see. But for us to use that part of the eye, we have to make it much bigger. And that's why these are now those magnifying glasses. So I'm going to put these on and I'm going to remind you how to use them. So when you put them on, remember, they are not for walking. They are not for watching TV. They're not for looking at faces. They're only for up close, and it's actually really quite up close compared to how you might have read in the past. So I'm going to grab a book here. So when it comes to reading, you're going to want to grab either the newspaper, magazine, your book that you're going to read, the iPad, or your smartphone. And what I'm going to recommend that you do is you want to first bring whatever you're going to look at right up against your nose. It's all blurry. I know it's blurry. But now what I want you to do is move it away until everything seems to be about the clearest. Now, if you've gone too far, it's going to go blurry. So start over again, bring it right to your nose and move it away until it seems to be the clearest. And if you notice, I am holding it pretty close. That's because these are more magnifying. And this is where you're going to probably have to read. Now, when I'm looking at the print, it's very important to have really good task lighting that's actually shining down onto the page. That will help enhance the print. Now, your vision may fluctuate, so you might have sometimes better days where you're seeing better and other days where you might not be seeing as well. And if you've seen me, I may have recommended also a special dome magnifier that looks like this. So this dome magnifier, if you notice, it's a little bit more of a thicker lens, but it's designed to actually be placed right against the page. So it's the combination of the high-powered reading glasses and the dome right against the page that can give you even more enhanced vision. And remember, you're going to have that extra light that's shining right onto the page. So now, if you're not sure where to hold it, bring everything right up to your nose and then wait until it seems to be clear. And you might find you have to hold it a little bit closer than before. And that's okay. It's going to allow you to see more comfortably. And then you just slide it across the page as you're reading. So that's how you use the prismatic glasses. I hope this makes a difference and you can enjoy reading again. Yes, it's a little bit different. You're going to have to hold things closer, but the whole point is getting you to read again. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope these tips help you with your reading. Bye.